Hey guys, Matt here. Today in this video I'm going to be lowering my project Honda Integra. So the brand that I got was Max Speeding Rods Coilovers. I got them off eBay for around $450 and I've had them on 3 of my cars, so I've never had a problem at all. So I decided to buy them again. May as well. They're really cheap, only like $450 or something, which is pretty good when like other coilovers, like proper coilovers, are like 1,000 something. So this is a pretty good deal for what I could get for the price. Here we are. Let's have a look. So here's all 4 coilovers. We got the front and rear ones, and these are the rear ones and these are the front ones. So first what we're going to do is lower the back. Alright guys, so I've done the rear now and it looks pretty good. It's very low, which I'll need to adjust after I do the front, just so I can get the final adjustments all done with all the height. And yeah, I think it's looking pretty good, so now we're going to get onto the front. So here we got the front suspension coilovers. So we got different mounting type on the bottom, which mounts to the existing suspension. It's got a little thing on the bottom which I'll show in the video, and that just slots into that directly, so it's pretty easy. And then yeah, just pretty much the same as the rear.